Hello everyone and welcome to the channel today. We're going to have a look at the best website to support with your class assemblies and to support with noise levels in your classroom. So before we start, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have found this useful and what you've used bouncy balls for. Okay, so we're on our website bouncyballs.org. Really simple to remember, bouncyballs.org, and we're going to click begin bouncing. So here we have our bouncy balls. Now I can grab the bouncy balls and move them around. Nothing really happens there though. It's nice for playing a game with the younger ones. If you are trying to get them to recognize colors, you can say and shape and size, follow this white one around, and when we start talking it's going to move around. Okay, now I'm going to go through some of the settings here on the side before we start. So you can change the balls, first of all, from plastic balls to emojis, to bubbles. The bubbles are nice because you're trying to get them down to the bottom instead of up to the top. And lastly, eyeballs. Now you can also turn on or off noise alerts. So when the balls all go from the bottom up to the top, you will get a shh or a beep noise. So we've got beep here and we've got shh. I'm just going to turn them off just now. Okay, I'll show you them in a second. We can also adjust the total number of balls up to 125, which really fills the screen, or down to only 25. You could even play where's my eye color. So I would have a look here. I've got kind of bluey green eyes, so I would go for maybe this one here. I wonder what yours would be. Pink eyes would be cool. Okay. We can also lastly adjust the sensitivity, but I'm going to show you that in a second. So we're going to turn on our microphone and put more balls in there. And you'll see that when I start talking and increase the sensitivity, the balls start moving. So if I go to 100-ish that they're normally on, when I talk into the microphone, all of the balls start moving. Now I can be really loud and get them to go to the top, or okay, if I adjust the sensitivity all the way up to the top, it's really easy to get the balls to move around. Let's see how high we can get them to go. Or we can adjust the sensitivity and put it down to the bottom. And it's really hard to get them all to move. Okay, so there's a few things you can use this for. Let's turn them off so they don't move in the background. You can use this website to support with learners who need that visual representation of what a loud voice is. Because when you're practicing for your assemblies and you're telling everyone, right, let's hear your big loud voices, some of them don't actually know what that means or what it looks like. So if I'm telling them, this is what your quiet voice looks like, and this is the voice that we want you to use. Okay, so one other application that we have is that you can adjust the sensitivity as well for a quiet classroom or a loud classroom. So I can have my quiet reading set to 200%, or I could limit the loud outdoor voices down to 5%. Okay,